How to change password and Wi-Fi name on MTN Wakanet ZLT S20 router. Changing the Wi-Fi name, SSID. Step 1. Connect to the router. Use a device connected to the router's Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Open the router login page. Enter 192.168.0.1 in a web browser. Step 3. Log in. Use the default username and password, usually both admin unless changed. Step 4. Go to the wireless settings, navigate to Wi-Fi or wireless settings. Step 5. Change the SSID, Wi-Fi name. Replace the current name with your preferred one and save. Changing the Wi-Fi password. Step 1. Locate security settings. In the Wi-Fi settings, find the section for security or password. Step 2. Enter a new password, type a strong password and save. Step 3. Reconnect devices. Reconnect all devices using the new password. Thank you for watching.